really enjoy buying clothing for my horses. In fact, I'm pretty sure that I spend more money on their wardrobes than I spend on myself. And ever since I first tried a fly veil or ear bonnet on Frisbee, I was sold. And they've become a part of my horse's everyday wardrobe when we're riding. They're just so pretty. But these fly veils or ear bonnets can be really expensive. Typically, I can find designer brands like Lemieux, and an ear bonnet will run about $50. And if you want top of the line like Equine, those fly bonnets start at around $100. However, recently I have found some very pretty and affordable fly veils from Harrison Howard Equestrian, and I'm going to unbox them and share them with you right now. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to a new video. And actually you're going to get two videos today. We're going to have the unboxing video first, and then later on this afternoon I have another grooming video for you. So it's August, which means August I'm trying to do a video every single day, video every day in August. And I'm not the first one that's done that. Actually, there's a lot of people that do it, so I figured I'm going to give it a go again and we'll see how that works. So this unboxing video is what you're watching right now, and then later you can go check out the new grooming video that I have. I can't even remember what I'm going to be doing it on, but you'll see that in a little bit. Let's get into the unboxing. And I got this package from Harrison Howard Equestrian, and there are some fly veils in here, and we are going to open this up and see what they look like. This is awesome. This is so cool. I have 5 new ear bonnets or fly veils. I don't know what I'm going to refer to them as. Ear bonnets, I think, because that's usually what I end up calling them. But I have 5 new ones, thanks to Harrison Howard Equestrian. And we're going to open them up and see what they look like. Let's go with the white one first. I really like those little pouches that they come in. Pretty fancy. Good thing I brought my scissors down, as long as I don't cut the ear off a bonnet. Look at that. That is so pretty. All right, so first we have the white fly veil. And it's really, really nice. Good quality. Now, the classic white fly veil has a braided trim. It's 100% handmade and hand crocheted. The ears are a cotton material, and the braided cord around the edge is gold and white. And it also has gold rivets on the front of the fly veil itself. And like I said, this is in the full size, and this is $22.99. That's a good deal, right? And another one. Oh, that's very pretty. So this is the Champion Blue with Silver Braid fly veil from Harrison Howard Equestrian. And it features a silver rope and bling trim. It has glittering ears, which have some stretch. And it also has a metal logo in the front center of the bonnet itself. Again, this is hand crocheted, and I really like the blinginess of the ears. And like I said, they do have some stretch to them, which is really nice. Time for another fly veil. That's very pretty, don't you think? So this is like the Champion Blue one, only this is in teal, and it has the glittery ears as well. It also has the metal logo plate and a silver and white cord around the front of the fly veil itself. Now the fly veils do come in two sizes. This is the large or full size, and then they also have medium or cob size, which you can find on the description of each of the different fly veils that they have for sale. So pretty. And again, the teal, just like the Champion Blue glittery ear fly veil, is $22.99 for the full size. And yes, another fly veil. And this one is called the Coffee Brown Rivet Elemented Fly Veil. Again, it has cotton ears and it has a really pretty gold edging that's a little bit different from the typical cord that I have on almost all of my other fly veils. There are 2 rows of this really pretty decoration. It's just so pretty. It looks like they've stitched the cord underneath some of the decorative trim of the fly veil, and it is really unique looking, and I really like it. It has kind of a scalloped edge on the edge where it ends, and again it has the rivets on the front. Now this one also has a gold tag that's hanging on one of the ears that says Harrison Howard. I really like the brown color. I like it. Like it a lot. And just one more fly veil. Now this one is beautiful. I think this is probably my favorite out of all of them. It is very unique. Now this is the black logo veil with glittering ears, and it has a gold metal logo in the center, and again, the pretty glittery ears. But what makes this fly veil really special, in my opinion, is the trim. It is so unique. It has a gold and white cord, but on the edge of the fly veil, there is a weaved pattern with almost a tasseled edge. It is just so pretty. And again, for the full size, it is $22.99. And you might be wondering where I keep getting the price references from. Well, the Harrison Howard Equestrian fly veils are available on Amazon, which to me is awesome. They also have Prime shipping, so you can get it relatively quicker. And they don't just have fly veils. They have a lot of other products for equestrians and horses as well. Just as an example, they have Lycra fly masks, and I bought 2 of these for my horses for this summer, and I've been super happy with them. They were very affordable, super stretchy, and my horses keep them in place. And honestly, I was so excited when Harrison Howard reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their products. I was like, yeah. And then I found out that they have all of these other products, and then I found out how affordable they are. I was like, this is awesome. So that was why I made this video, because I wanted to share them with you so you can get some great deals for your horse's clothing too. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other DIY projects, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.